Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So just back on the DAX this morning, and you'll all know my process by now if you've followed me for a while, but it's just after 7 AM in the morning on Monday, July 8th. And as usual, our only job here for those of us trading this strategy is to await the setup that we trade together, take the trade when this occurs, and walk away. Now, we've just had the setup form a second ago, so as you can see, I'm currently long. And if you are new to the strategy and the way that I trade, to tell you a little more about the strategy itself, it's built around specific statistically proven price points derived from previous trading sessions. And all we do is trade back to these prices using the setup and the entry trigger that I've built, which is exactly what you're looking at here on the screen. And to do this, we use a clear set of mechanical rules, and as simple as it sounds, all we do is follow these on a daily basis. Now, if you're thinking, well, that sounds boring, you're completely right. It's quite a boring way to trade. It's nowhere near as exciting as drawing trend lines, marking levels, support and resistance zones, enabling this indicator, that indicator, trying to predict where price is headed each day and so on. We don't do any of that. All we do is come in each morning, sit and await our proven setup, take the trade and walk away. And again, it might be a boring way to trade, but it's a profitable way to trade. And in most cases, much like we're seeing here today, the setup is presented to us within 10, 15 minutes or so of the open. And again, we then execute on this and we're done. Extremely simple, no work as such. Now that I've done the hard work in finding the edge and building the setup, that was the hard part. But now that's done, there's absolutely none of the guessing, again, none of the predicting, no reading the market, no hours of sitting and staring at the chart. We just await the setup, execute, and we're done. Exactly as you're seeing here on screen with me live this morning. Now, I do on occasion take a second entry, and I might just be doing this today if I have to, but for the minute, let's let this trade play out now we're in position, now that we're long, and I'll come back to you when we're either stopped out or we're at target. Right, just back, and crikey, what a move. We've just seen here, thank God we were on the right side of it. We did sit through some sideways movement initially, didn't we? And then straight up to target in pretty much one single swing. And that's us out with 4.8 R, just below 70 points of profit, and £627.92 added to the bank balance by 8:15 in the morning. And for those of you who are trading this alongside me that also have day jobs, I'm sure you'll be heading to work in an extremely good mood this morning after starting the day with a win of this size. And see, this right here is why I trade mechanically. You know, watching some traders on Twitter this morning who've been in, out, back in, back out again, drawing a line here, adding an indicator there, and all we've done is literally wait 5 minutes for our setup, take the trade, walk away, and we've made, what, just below 5 times what we risked back in profit in one single trade without any of the hard work. Honestly, it's not surprising, is it, that mechanical strategies take so many traders from losing money to being profitable, because when you remove all of the noise, all you need is a statistically proven edge. That's the foundation of a profitable trader, isn't it? And if you have that, much like we do here via the DAX strategy that we trade, trading does become easy. You know, boring perhaps, but easy, and more importantly, profitable. Anyway, that's that trade done and dusted. just a very quick video for you today. I hope that you enjoyed taking another look inside the DAX strategy with me this morning. If you do have any thoughts or questions on any of the above, please do visit the comment section below the video. I'll happily get these answered for you. Please do subscribe if you haven't, and as always guys, trade with edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks guys.